It's your girl City.
You put time lapse?
No. And today we're about to do the Who's Most Likely to challenge. Now, we went on Instagram and we told people to ask us questions. Let me stop lying. Nobody asked us questions, so we came up with our own. Look at the camera. And we came up with our own, and we only felt like doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 questions. Now, Isaiah, here's a miracle for you, a miracle for me, and a miracle for Miracle. And here's Isaiah for you, Isaiah for me, and Isaiah and this. And then Sydney for you, Sydney for me, and Sydney for you. So we all have each other's name.
She didn't have to low-key pass this out. She could have did this before the video. See, we looked.
It's okay. It's okay. Excuse me.
Can y'all see?
But y'all
probably can't.
They probably can't. But this one says Sydney, Isaiah, and Miracle. And if you guys, Miracle, what now? Let's get straight into the video. Now, who's most likely to pee on themselves? Isaiah, you gotta put up who you think is most likely to pee on themselves. No, you have to tell them who you picked.
I picked Isaiah.
I picked Miracle. I picked Isaiah.
It's not in there.
He just tried my whole life.
Sitting no pee on herself, make no pee on myself. Oh, last night I thought I peed on myself. We were sweating so bad watching that scary movie.
Extra and over dramatic. Meet them two. I'm the calm one.
Anyways, I said Isaiah. She said Isaiah. And he said Miracle. Next question. Who's most likely to eat all the food? Like, if we just go grocery shopping, who's most likely to eat all?
Sydney.
Isaiah. If my mama go grocery shopping, he will eat it all in one day.
I will, because I'll be home.
Sydney.
Next question. Who's most likely to get into a fight?
Me.
Sydney. I say me. Cause
Sydney. I said Sydney.
Cause
No, for real on your home.
a lot of people don't like me.
Cause she just do too much, but it's
No,
alright.
that is actually not why. People don't like me because I be doing my work and then I tell them no, I won't help them, and then
You know how little 7
they're like,
be.
she over there acting like she can't help me with my work. I'm like, girl, because I don't want to help you.
Oh, they don't need a whole explanation. Okay, shout out to Isaiah.
Next question. Now,
Can I read one?
Yeah. So the next one.
Who's most likely to not make their bed? We all know that, cause you know she dirty. But
No. Who you pick? I make my bed every morning. If you don't know,
You tried my whole life.
I make my bed every day. If you don't know, this morning when I didn't make my bed, it was because I woke up at 1 something in the morning. I mean 1 in the afternoon. It's Miracle.
Since you want to try me, no, I'm joking, y'all. That's me, cause you know I'm lazy.
There wasn't nobody else to pick, because I'll make up my bed.
Right, we make up our bed.
Well, shut up.
No. Our granny taught us you make up that bed in the morning.
I made up my gurney bed.
So you want to read one?
Y'all don't need no
You want to read
extra.
one? It's this one.
You mess with Malaya, don't you?
Who likes to get in trouble?
What is who's most likely to get in trouble?
Who's likely?
Oh, we all know that one. That's simple. That's easy.
Who you picking, girl?
Sydney.
Isaiah. In the beginning of the school year, he got in trouble because he threw a marker at his teacher.
You got a whooping.
No, but he got in trouble.
Boys.
Boys be like.
Because
All right, next question.
I wasn't
We ain't
even
got time
trying to
for
throw it at her.
Who's most likely to get A's and B's on their report card?
I ain't even gonna lie. Cause see, Sydney Green. I said
Isaiah.
her name. Sydney, I'm gonna say her middle name in a second. She keep making me mad. But Sydney.
Screenshot. Screenshot. It's me though. For real. Isaiah, you better take your name down right now.
I know you lying.
Alright, next question.
What you mean? On first market play, I had 4 B's.
Okay. Isaiah, I said A's and B's, not C's. Yeah.
Come on
Next
now.
question. Who's most likely to be extra?
Miracle.
Sydney.
Sydney. I said me.
Shut up.
This is the first time. This is not the first time I think I said me, but
I'm not
Yeah,
extra,
something
y'all.
Change it to
I'm calm and
Sydney.
simple and fun. They just do too much.
It's Sydney.
I am extra and fun.
She knows
I
she
am
just
extra.
extra and just a
I'm
crybaby.
extra
She
fun.
sensitive. She do too much.
I'm sensitive, but I can get cracking.
No, she can't. She can't get no cracker but an egg.
Don't play with me.
I forgot. I ain't ordered her from
The only class she got an A in was the class of eating class.
Don't try me. Don't mistake me for you.
you tried to.
That's why your breath smell like the trash can.
can.
When they walk past you, they mistake you for the dumpster.
That's not me.
So nasty, bro.
Next question. Who's most likely to go to sleep first? Do anything. Scary movie. Anything.
Isaiah.
I dare her to try me.
Isaiah!
Sydney.
It's not
It's
me.
two
It's Isaiah. This Isaiah, I don't know where it came from. This dude go to sleep at 11.
No, tell me why. No, you can tell I'm the first one that go to sleep because the fight I missed it because I went to sleep.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, boy.
They
Dude, I'll be
need to shut up
sleeping.
down there. I'm telling you, that's over dramatic. And
Next
extra for you.
question. Who's most likely to be creative?
Miracle.
Isaiah.
Sydney.
Miracle.
Isaiah, you know I'm creative. For a while, I wanted to be you don't tell me that. For a while, I wanted to be a designer because I used to take paper bags and make bras.
And make what now?
Ugh. I used to take paper. I for real used to take paper bags and
That's freaky.
yeah.
She just be lying like.
I am dead serious.
She not.
Yo, I made this. Let me show y'all.
What have y'all played?
And then, I know y'all got that from Walmart, $5.
I did not, girl. I made that, and I made my own wallet. I don't know where it's at right now, but I made my own wallet.
She can't keep up with nothing, so it's okay, y'all.
No, it's actually somewhere in that box over there where all my Minnie Mouse stuff at. Girl's trying to flex with that money.
Girl, shut up now.
Y'all tell me why she lost her $5 earlier. And was like, don't tell my mama. Y'all,
Tell why she not funny.
next
She
question.
never be.
Next question. Okay. I'm just pointing to the. Okay, next question.
Who's most likely to get beat up?
Yeah.
Sydney, because she just. Even
I'm coming for your life, Miracle.
Sydney, if y'all can see it, Sydney Green, because she just do too much.
Isaiah, I be beating you up, boy.
She got a big old mouth. She gonna wake the whole America up.
Right.
Donald Trump can't even sleep right. Him and his head. That's over. That's extra for y'all, cause she need to have her own TV show. Keeping up with the Sydney.
Miracle, you get beat up.
She get dragged up and down the snow. They mistake her for some things.
Shut up, I'm gonna pee on myself.
And she just lays and clumsy. She won't pee on herself like she used to do.
Miracle, you alright?
Yo, and then that boy smack you. I'm gonna put that in replay on here.
Why did you?
But look,
She ain't slept. Let me give you your charger.
no, we
Yo,
can't.
you
Yo, I said Miracle though.
She about to go use it.
Next question. Who's most likely to cry?
Let me use your charger.
Who's most likely to cry
Let me use
about?
your charger.
Who's most likely? Stop! No! Oh, I thought you was taking a pillow off my bed. Stop, Miracle, so we can get to the next question. Who's most likely to cry about everything?
Sydney Green.
Isaiah.
Sydney, cause she just be. We can't even play with this girl. She'll cry, baby. Like I said.
Isaiah cry if
She'll
McDonald's
cry,
gives him
baby.
the wrong food.
She'll cry her for river, and ain't nobody can swim in it, cause she just.
Isaiah cry, baby.
Cry,
He'll
baby.
cry
Cry,
if
baby.
he get the wrong food. Don't look over there. Look at the camera.
She'll cry, baby. She just do some. She'll cry, baby.
Man, get your hands off me, you lying. See? I should have put who's most likely to get mad. Look at this.
Oh, I got that for y'all. Either.
Y'all
Who's
doing
most likely
too
to?
much, bro?
Look at him. He just
Okay.
get mad for just.
Okay, next question. Oops, I dropped him. I pick him up. Who's most likely to have? This is the last question. Who's most likely to have hecka pillows?
Cause I don't like her no more. I'm gonna put just to be petty. Isaiah.
I don't even like pillows like that.
Isaiah.
Sissany.
Crybaby City. That's City. That's her.
Little pussy bitch City.
Boom, 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 boom.
Sit down.
Y'all, I have a whole bunch of pillows.
Okay, anyway, that's the end of that video. I need to use our charger, so make sure you give this video a like and subscribe, and yeah, end it. So I can use your charger, bro.